guys, good morning ang ating chicken curry for today. Ayan, ginisa natin sa sibuyas at kamatis, dahon ng laurel, at saka may green na sili. Ayan, may patatas, itasay natin sandali muna yun bago natin ilagay ang manok. Ayan, chicken curry siya guys, kumulo-kulo talaga. Yum. Yan ating chicken curry for today. Di ba guys, no? Sarap. Yan siya guys, di ba? Ayan. May patatas yan siya, may carrots. May carrots, mahalang carrots. Ay, mahalang gulay-gulay. Ayan. 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 Diba? Ayan. Yan guys, ang ating chicken curry for today. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much sa ating YouTube channel. Yan. Thank you so much. Yan. Yan siya guys, oh, sarap. Oh, wow, lala. Oh, lala.